Hello everyone, welcome now. Today we are discussing the client script and its types. Let's start here. This is the first slide for client script, and so let's go for the next one. So we are start from the definition. We have the definition of the client script, and I am telling you in every interview, client script topic is very much important in every organization. Whenever you are going for the interview, at what type of experience they are not mentioning, but they are asking what is the client script and its types and little bits questions about the scenario based. So today we are discuss on the client script. Don't waste time. So here start. What is the definition for client script? So clients basically client script runs on the client side. Means you need to keep in your mind client script in the sense of the client, means like form. You should keep in your mind client script is like a form. Means whenever user or client is using anything on a form, that is the client script. Means in the backend we are using any script for form validation, that is the client script. So client script run on the client side when event occurs, such as when a form loading, form submission, when a field changes value on uh, field changes value, and on cell edit. So on cell edit is not they are asking in any interview. And we have four types of client scripts, on load client script, on change client script, on submit client script, and last one which is on cell edit client script. So we have three are very much important for the interview and for our project and any perspective. See, so next slide on load client script. So we are see here onload client script run when user open the form and before user can enter data on the form. Means basically whenever user opening the form and before that user enter any data on the form, that time it's load the form. So it is called as the onload client script. It just when loading the form. So if we have to create onload client script, we need to open client script from navigation bar and select type as a onload. Then function onload is automatically shown in our script section, and then we need to write our script or any validation, what type of validation we want on the form. So let's go in next slide. So you can see here we have created one client script. We have started. I mean, this is the overview for onload client script. We need to select, click on client script in navigation bar, and then it will create one like list view. And in that list view, we need to click on new button. Then you can see this form. So we can give any name for form loading, and we can select table name here, and UI type you can select all or desktop or mobile view. So type is onload. We need to select type is onload for onload client script. Automatically function onload is automatically coming in the script. We need to type our script over here and submit. So it will create onload client script. And whenever you need to test, you need to open any form for for which table you triggered, so it will show on the form. We will see a scenario in the next video. I will create for scenario for only scenarios based one video, so don't worry about this. Go for the next step. This is the on change client script. This is the second type of our client script, and this is on change. On change is very simple, and this is very important client script for everywhere. So On change client script runs when a particular field value changes on the form. Means whenever any field value or variable, if we select any variable and then next field is automatically changing value, then it is the on change client script. See, on change client script is handy for setting up values of a fields or a displaying. So if we have to create the on change client script, on change client script, we need to open client script form in the navigation bar and select type as a on change. Then function on change is automatically shown in the script. You need to write on change client script over here. So this is the form for on change client script. We need to write script here. So we can give any name. We need to select table name and type as a on change. Then you can see here the on change values is a function is automatically run here. So we need to write our appropriate script here and submit. So you can check for what which table you triggered and using table and all those things. So the next type is the on submit client script. See, on submit is a very easy type for the client in the client script. On submit is basically when we submit our form and it runs, means like if we submit form it and it will show any alert like you have submitted the form like this is the on submit client script, and it's usually used to validate things on the form before the submission of the form. So we have to create on submit client script. We need to open client script from navigation and select the type as on submit. Then function on submit is automatically showing shown in the script section. So this is the form, basic form for on submit client script. This is we need to give your name as anything as you want, and select table name, then so type as a on submit. See, the if we select type as on submit, the function on submit is automatically come here, and you need to write any script, means for what condition you need to trigger that condition you need to write here, and that's it. So this is basically three main type for client script, and this is the very important types and very important topic for every interview. And for next video I will show which some scenario based questions, and we will do some practically in the video. If you have any questions, if you have any queries, you can ask in comment section. And if you want any notes regarding the client script and another any service now topic, you can ask me in comment. I will provide you. I have all of those things, so feel free ask me. And thank you very much for this video, for this listening my all those topics. So thank you very much. Thank you.